Hi, I am mubashir-nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will show you how to connect LinkedIn support to request about your verification. Whether you are looking to verify your identity, recover LinkedIn access, report a compromised account, or solve the issue related to lost email access. Now in this video, I will show you how you can remove all these issues. So first of all, you just need to open your browser and just write here linkedin.com/help/linkedin/ask/Ravi, RAVI, and after this page will be appear. And now you can see that different options are available and different articles about your errors is also available. For example, if you are facing the issue, if you would like to verify your identity to recover your account, so you can also read this article. You just need to click on article and this article will be appear. So you can also read this article. And if you are facing your account or another account being a compromised account means when someone unauthorized access of your account and using your account and changing the profile name, changing the education, changing the experience level and everything, changing your account, it's called compromised account. In simple word, we can also say that it's a stolen account. When someone unauthorized access of your LinkedIn account, he can change your profile name, headline, summary, education, everything. If you are facing this issue, and then you can also read article about this and you can also report about a compromised account. If you have lost access to your email address on your account, and then you can also read this article and different more things are available. You can use all things according to your requirement. And first of all, you just need to write here the alternative email address for communication with LinkedIn support. And here you just need to pick your issue. For example, you are facing the issue of identity verification, then you just need to click here identity verification. If you are facing the issue of workplace verification, and if you are facing the issue of educational institution verification, so you can choose according to your requirement. If you are facing the issue of identity verification, then you just need to click on identity verification. And other option is, if you are facing the issue with identity verification with persona, then just write here the persona. Different more options are available. You can choose according to your requirement. And here different more errors or more mistakes are available. For example, if you are facing the issue, the name on my profile and the name on my passport does not match, then you just need to click here. And if you are facing I don't see my country as option list, you just need to click here. If you are facing just technical issue, and then you just need to click on technical issue. More options are available, and once you are satisfied and once you write all things according to your requirement, and then you just need to click on submit. So in this way you can solve your issue, recovery access to your LinkedIn account, report a compromised LinkedIn account, and if you have already lost your email access for your account, so you can solve your issues according to this link. So hope you understand. If you have any question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.